Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and my Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro USD and GBP USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market and analysis. So let's get started. Dollar sleeps on a dovish US February payroll report. Dollar has fallen every day this week and remains under pressure due to the negative impact of US tariffs on the US economy. You guys must be knowing that the trade war threat is making the market crazy, and this was the main reason why we saw intense selling pressure on the chart of DXY or dollar for the last couple of days. Losses in the dollar accelerated Friday on the dovish US Fed payroll report that showed non-farm payroll and average hourly earnings rose less than expected, and the unemployment rate unexpectedly moved higher. So yesterday it was very important day for all of us because of the NFP, and NFP numbers failed to meet the market expectation, because of which there was little selling on DXY. Usually when market fails to meet the expectation, we see big moves. But yesterday's NFP was special because we discussed in a previous video on gold that at the time of NFP, if market fails also to meet the expectation, chances of market going down is very less. Why? Because see, my dear friends, trading is a difficult game. I have been trading for a long time, almost 10 to 12 years, around 12 years. One thing that I have observed in my journey is that if there is a big news coming, and if market starts moving before the big news, then there is a high chance that the market makers have already taken position, and when the actual news will be out, they will just be exiting. So when market started going, or dollar started going down, from Monday onwards, it was quite clear that the market makers are already in the sell position. And when the actual news came out, market did not move much. And this is a bitter reality. Market manipulation is highest at the time of news, where the market makers, institutions make money and retail traders get trapped. So anyway, we did not see much move yesterday, though dollar should have gone down, but we can see that dollar is right now trying to take support. And we can expect that next week after the market opening, dollar index or DXY may go up. I'm not talking about trend reversal here, because for a trend reversal we need a news, and right now we don't have any solid fundamental reason that will bring recovery on the chart. But still we can expect the market to remain sideways, because for dollar index to go up, it needs to break 104.50. If it breaks 104.50, then only we can expect that finally DXY is showing some recovery. But as long as DXY is trading below 104.5, we can expect the market to be under pressure only. And if market breaks 103.40, this particular low, market will be forming another lower low, and you can expect the downside to continue. But I personally feel that DXY is not going to surrender that easily, because if it keeps on going down, it will be heading towards 100 or double digit. I don't think so. And my dear friends, already you guys must be knowing that the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct for those people who are struggling with the market for a long time. Those who know about the basics, but still they're struggling. So it's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support. I conduct only 2 to 3 times a year only. I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में ही होता है. Again, I'm repeating, not for beginners, especially for those people who are struggling with the market. So total 7 classes. Initially, there will be 3 classes, and there will be weekly sessions, 4 weekly sessions. I have mentioned the dates here. And in 1 month support, you will be part of our WhatsApp group, where I'll be posting regular market updates and analysis. We also have live sessions also during important events like NFP CPI, like we had yesterday also. And you can join now also, though we have time left. You can join now also. Till the workshop, you will be receiving free market updates analysis on our WhatsApp group. And these are the topics of the workshop. If you feel that it will be beneficial for you, you are most welcome to join. And you'll also be receiving free risk management guide, checklist, calculators, Excel sheets and all. And if you're a resident of India, there will be a separate exclusive class for Indians, because trading in India is a little difficult. आप लोगों को पता है कि legal illegalities का issues है, so उसके लिए अलग special session होगा. Okay, and these are the topics of the weekly sessions. So okay, I have kept gaps so that okay we can learn and execute, because if we learn everything at a stretch, we forget. Okay, so that's why it's a 7 days workshop with 1 month support. All the classes are conducted over Google Meet, and you don't need to worry if you cannot attend because of time difference. All the classes are recorded. Okay, and the best part is the fees, my dear friends. You can see for the workshop with 1 month support is only $20 or rupees 1500. And if you're looking for guidance, mentorship, or personal sessions with me, you can join for semi-annual or lifetime support as well, because there is no shortcut in trading. Trading takes time, we all know it. Okay, and these are the payment methods. Once you're done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group. Thank you so much. Bye bye. And this is the hourly chart of euro dollar, euro USD in front of us. So far we have been bullish, and still we are bullish only because there is no sign of trend reversal on dollar index. So my dear friend, if you have any buy right now, you can hold your buy position, okay, with your stop loss below 1.0765. This should be a stop loss. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market on euro USD or GBP USD, buy at retracement or buy at dip should be the trading strategy you should be following, because the trend of the market is bullish and we need to respect it for safer opportunities. Okay, so on the chart of euro USD, 1.0765 is the best support where we can look for a buy position if market comes down. Why are we considering 1.0765? Because of FIBO 0.236. Along with that, we can also see market taking support around this area previously. But now we can see that there is not much volume in the market. And usually during the first half of Monday, we don't see much volatility or volume. So as a day trader, we can also look for a buy around 1.0812, around this area. Okay, around this area you can also look for a buy as a day trader. How much you can expect? You can expect 20 to 25 pips on a Monday morning. Okay, 20-25 pips, that too on euro USD is good enough. Okay, not only we have FIBO 50% retracement level, but when we are changing the FIBO, okay, we can see we have FIBO 61.8 plus 50 moving average also present. So if market takes support, or if you see the market is showing price rejection from below, size of the candles are very small, then you can consider this zone. But otherwise, if market surprises us, okay, then avoid this and just wait for the market to hit this 1.0768 area. Once you'll see the market is taking support, you can go for a buy position. Clear? And right now, okay, taking a buy at breakout is not very wise, because already we have seen that the breakouts have been failing on euro USD, okay, not showing some big moves. And already we have seen on the chart of DXY also that DXY is not ready to surrender that easily, because already the market has shown a big move, considerable move. Dollar has started falling from 107.5 to 103. Okay, so I think that there's a high chance that we will just see a choppy market or sideways market in the next 1 or 2 days. So plan your trades accordingly. And this is the chart of GBP USD in front of us, the hourly chart, British pound US dollar, the cable. So here also we have two levels. Okay, the first level, the dotted one, the dotted level, the dotted line. Okay, that 1.2870 is the first support where we can look for a buy position. Okay, if market comes down with small candles or low volume, but if market shows high volume, then we can look for a buy around 1.2850 to 1.2855. So this is a stronger level and this is a weak level on euro GBP USD, sorry. Okay, and here also we are considering this because of FIBO 0.236 plus the previous resistance will be working as support around 1.2850, and moreover it's a round number psychological support. And here also we are avoiding buying at breakout because there's a high chance that we may not get to see some clean moves that we got this week. Okay, so it's better to wait for the market to come down. Okay, and in case market surprises us, then obviously I'll be uploading a video on Monday. Okay, but as of now, just keep in mind that overall the market is bullish, but for the next 1 or 2 days, we may get to see a sideways market. So respecting the ongoing trend of the market, it will be better and safer for us to be on buy side only.